Hello everyone, welcome back to another topic of evolution from DNA of Bioscience. So today we are going to discuss about the types of natural selection. What is a natural selection? We have already learned in our school days the natural selection in Darwinism. So what is a natural selection? Natural selection is a kind of selection of individuals which have the ability to adapt a new environment or cope up with the new environment, and last they can survive. That's why it is called as the survival of the fittest. So the individuals, they are selected naturally as they have the ability to adapt to the environment and able to survive. So the types of natural selection are: first one is the directional selection, second one is stabilizing selection, and third one is the disruptive selection or diversifying selection. So let's discuss the first one, the directional selection. In case of directional selection, the population shifts in only one extreme trait. In this diagram we can see the curve, it shifted to only one extreme. The example is the pepper moth. We might have heard about the pepper moth industrial evolution. In that, in England, both white and black pepper moths were there. So the white pepper moths, as they are white in color, they often land in the lichens. Because of that, they able to survive and reproduce as compared to the black one. But after the industrial evolution, the toast and coal, it makes the tree dark. So very easily the white pepper moths were visible and it were eaten by the birds. After that, the white pepper moth population got decreased and the black ones selected naturally. So one example is the cattle breeders have improved the quality of meat over the years by which process? Artificial directional stabilizing. So the answer is directional. Next is the stabilizing natural selection. In case of stabilizing natural selection, they reject the two extreme trait and accept the moderate or the intermediate trait. So the examples of stabilizing selections are the Darwin finches. In the Galapagos Island, a group of birds that are called the finches are present, and some of them eat seeds, some eat insects, some eat fruits, so their beaks are very different. When the seed supply decreases, the population density of the birds also decreases. In this situation, the supply of seeds may fluctuate, but the seeds available are fairly constant in size. So the mean beak size is not going to change in this part. So it is a kind of stabilizing selection, as the mean beak size is not going to change, but there is a fluctuation in the supply of seeds. Let's discuss one question. The mean and standard deviation of body size in Drosophila population are 8.5 and 2.2. The mean is 8.5 and the standard deviation is 2.2. Under natural selection over many generations, the mean and standard deviation of the body size changes to 8.5 and 0.8 mm. So the type of selection responsible for the changes: first option is directional, second option is neutral, third option is disruptive, and fourth option is stabilizing. So the answer is stabilizing. Why the answer is stabilizing? Because in case of stabilizing selection, the genetic variance generally decrease. You can see in this question, before the natural selection, the standard deviation is 2.2, but under natural selection over many generations, it changed to 0.8. So the value of the standard deviation got reduced, but the mean value is constant. Next one is the dispersive selection or diversifying selection. In diversifying or dispersive selection, the average or the intermediate phenotype are often less fit than either the two extremes or the two extreme phenotypes. And in case of dispersive selection, the genetic variance increases when natural selection selects. So one question is, if the two or more morphological forms are favored against heterozygous, such a selection is termed as dispersive, directional, stabilizing, or cyclic. So the answer is dispersive, because in case of dispersive selection, the intermediate forms or the heterozygote, you can say, are less fitted than the two or more morphological forms. So this is all about the three types of selection. Please do subscribe. Thank you.